Hi guys, what it do? It's your boy Exia coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to do another dividend portfolio update. It's coming to the end of the year and I pretty much reached my goal. I set a goal for myself and I have achieved it. And took a lot of hard work, but it feels good. So without a doubt, let's just hop into the video so I can show you guys my progress and how I achieved my goal this year. Alright guys, what it do? Like I said, my name is Exia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and most definitely subscribe because 2021 is going to be amazing for me. I'm going to set forth really set for it and hone in and focus to achieve my goal of my first 6 figures. And I feel like next year gonna be my year, but we ended this year off pretty good. Let's just hop right on into it. So as you can see, my portfolio is sitting at around $20,610. And I pretty much set a goal to try to end the year with 20K at least invested. I really want to aim for 25K. Semi-close. I'm going to try to deposit a couple thousand more into the market before the end of the year to really hone in on my goal. But the minimum goal was at least to have at least 20K invested, and I have done it. As far as my Fidelity portfolio, is sitting at around 18K. Doing pretty good. No one saying too excited. But yeah, man, it's pretty hype. Pretty much as you can see in my portfolio, like I said, I still got the 100 shares of AT&T here. Most definitely got the 100 shares of OKE. I got 100 shares of MO, 100 shares of EPD. Big ups. And right now I'm sitting at 60 shares of Chevron. Now, I do want to try to get Chevron to 100 shares. It's going to be a pretty little penny to get there, probably around $3,000 to $4,000 to max that out at 100 shares. I'm working on it. I'm trying to get there, but really honing in on this, guys. Like when I say honing in, I'm focused, straight tunnel vision. But like I said, I only have 6 shares in my total portfolio. Majority of it is in energy. I really like the energy sector. I am slowly diversifying. It's 2 other shares that I want to pick up without a doubt. I want 100 shares of SPHD. I think that's the next one I'm aiming for, outside of the 40 shares of Chevron. But this is my Fidelity portfolio, hands down. We're sitting at $18,621. It's a lot of hard work here. And as far as the other portfolio that adds me up until my 20 is my M1 Finance. I do have an M1 Finance that I invest in. Pretty much going to be all index fund. Probably a couple, about 3 to 5 growth stocks, like far as companies that I truly think is going to be around for a long time. I'm going to deposit about $2,000 into this account within the next couple days. So I'm moving on up there because right now I pretty much got like almost $2,000 invested into VTI. Like I said, I'm going to add in more into this one without a doubt. But this is the 2 that add up to make me over 20K invested for this year. The thing that is really hype about my portfolio, like I said, very excited. If you take a look at my income, I am making $1,414 annually from this portfolio, which is mind blowing. Did I think it'll be here? I knew what I was aiming for. You know, you always know what you're aiming for. It's just you don't truly believe it until you just see it. So that I'm like extremely excited about that. As you can see, this is pretty much the layout here. I'm making $77 from Chevron every 3 months, $44 from EPD every 3 months, $86 from MO every 3 months, 93 from OKE every 3 months, and 52 from AT&T every 3 months. As you can see, the months of February, May, August, and November are my biggest payouts. We're talking $190 for that month alone. It's gonna be crazy. Hopefully I can get these shares of Chevron within the next month or so, and then we're really gonna be popping. Now, far as the income from this, I don't take any income from it. All these are dividends. They're gonna be reinvested. And how I got to this point is pretty much I was investing $500 every week into this portfolio, and I'm going to continue to invest $500 every week into the portfolio. And if I have some spare money, I without a doubt throw it on in there, because the goal for 2021 is to reach 6 figures. Nothing else matters as far as the portfolio. I most definitely want to reach 6 figures. So we're gonna have to get real crafty, due to the fact that it's gonna be a stretch. You talking making 80K in 1 year. But we're gonna make it happen, without a doubt. We're most definitely gonna make it happen. But this is my portfolio. I'm extremely excited for how far I have gotten in just this year alone. Hopefully the progression continues, and it just grows and grows and grows into something that's actually worth having. And I think it's something amazing now, but just the thrill of what it could be is big hype. But like I said, my name is Exia. This is my YouTube video. Most definitely hit that subscribe button, like this video, and it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.